All right, Joe came back. I was on the phone. It was purring like a kitten, wasn't it?
Yep.
That blew up. Definitely that one. Definitely that one too. What's that?
Didn't see that loud when I was riding, but I had my helmet on too.
Well, you know, we get your helmet on. All's good with helmets. You know, that's one thing about a race bike. When you take the mufflers off, all stuff goes away.
Yeah.
It sounds like it's going to blow up when you put mufflers on it right on the street, but it runs a lot better when the muffler's off. And all that noise you thought was blowing the motor up, it runs good because you can't hear it, and it makes more power. All right, well, the lifters are louder because the motor's hot. Is the motor hot now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's hot.
Guess what happens when it gets hot? It grows. Get more valve lash. So the 50 weight oil didn't stop the clattering from the lifters. Now it's working.
The lifters didn't stop it.
No, the new lifters did not do the trick. But actually, it made them all make noise.
Again, that's SNS Pen 1000 on that, you know.
Yeah, they're all making noise. I can feel it in rocker box. They're really rough. You can feel them pounding in there. It's rideable. It's just noisy as hell.
Yeah. I'm taking it home tonight, no matter what.
It's not good for the motor either, like that. So, I like the Crane ones better. Three of them were nice and quiet.
I need about a 5-day rest on taking this thing apart again.
I need a rest too. I got other work to do.
God damn it, man.
So the step that we skipped over, which was keep the old lifters that were working there and replace the one, that's what we didn't do.
Right.
So those are at a quarter of a turn from tight. So you got about 10 thou in play, and then it grew probably another 30 to 40. So now you're listening to about a 50 thou back lash in your valve train, which is kind of noisy. You know, on a race bike, you never know it. But
These are pretty loud pipes too, though.
yeah, not as loud as the
I
valves.
put my helmet on and loud pipes, I'll never know it.
The valves are louder than the pipes, so.
Yeah, the iPhone especially.
Yeah, anyway, it's not good for the valve train beating on it like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's
So they're a quarter turn from tight from bottom. What can you do to quiet them down? It's lifters, right?
It's a solid lift. That's why you don't use solids on aluminum motors. They grow too damn much. On an iron motor, you can get away with that crap. They don't grow much. You know, the push rods and all that grow about the same as the motor, so the lash stays the same. My iron head, the valve lash is no different between hot and cold. It's the same. This stupid thing here, it grows like crazy. Crappy aluminum design. What do you want?
It used to purr so nice.
Yeah, there you go.
Just had to work on it.
Well, 3 lifters are good. It's just the one.
Not anymore.
Well, you kept having that one going, or well, whatever.
One was sticking.
One was going and coming and going, but
Yeah.
it was quiet other than that.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta let it cool off. See what we're gonna do. Joe's in a big rush and he just started it. I was cleaning my hands off. I didn't know you must have the spark plugs already in it.
Yep.
All right, it already quieted down quite a bit. It's already quiet.
Normal,
Like they work, yeah. So we put the 3 crane lifters back in it, and we stuck a mid-USA lifter in there. One of these, which are made differently than, they look like the S&S, but they're a little different.
working a lot better.
They work, that's the difference. Unlike the S&S, they actually do work. So
That's unbelievable to me. I still can't figure it out.
I don't know. There's no reason for any of this stuff to be doing what it's doing. Like I said, we had 3 lifters that worked and 1 that didn't, and we got a 4th one that seems to be working now.
I'm not good at lining this up like you are.
We got to put the hole in where it belongs. Can't you see the hole in there?
I don't see nothing but air. There's a bad in the middle. This one's good.
I don't care about that. This is the one you do first.
Okay, right there.
So you put the hole in. You're not there yet. Now it is. Okay, that one goes first. Get the white out. You get it started. Then you do the back one.
Okay.
You know why you do the back one?
No.
Because it's the longest distance away from here. So it has the biggest change. So you can see it instantly.
You start with that one because it's on top?
Yes, it's easiest. See the holes lined up? You poke it in the hole.
One-handed even.
Well, I'm trying to. I'm using my leg, but... Okay, that goes in. And then guess what the third one is?
Down here.
It's already lined up. So it just goes right in like that.
I can't believe that thing did that. Slide it down.
Now you got to start them up evenly and pull them in evenly. So pull them in evenly. Usually this one takes up the most because it's...
Do I start with this one then?
I bring this down a little bit and then I do the back one. Because this one's usually the one that compresses the air cleaner. And then that one will compress it the other direction. For whatever reason, it always seems to be right tight on this one. It's real tight. It doesn't compress much up top. But... And then when you get them all in, just put them in there good and tight. If you don't tighten them, they're going to come loose. Where's your heat shield at?
Put it in my car.
What you put on the bike?
I didn't think we didn't finish it up today.
Well, we tried using those S&S lifters again. So
I still can't believe it.
that shit don't work. Everybody picks on those Ultima lifters. Yeah, that one worked fine. And that was right out of the box. I didn't even take it apart. I took apart this one, looked at it, see how it was made. And that one came right out of the baggie. Now this is not those Kingpin lifters. These are the lifters that are no longer listed, but it's the ones that go in the motors. And they cost like 4 times more than the cheap ones they sell to the public. But you know, there must be a reason, because they work. Your tire's full of oil.
A little bit, yeah. I wiped off a lot of it.
No, you're full of oil. Roll it forward about a foot.
And then
Get the ground there under it too. We drove over the pad there that's full of oil, so. Alright, so go take it down the street and then get that rear tire cleaned up first, Joe. It's all wet underneath the tire. Move the bike forward about 1.5 feet. Can't see with a helmet on.
I'll do it.
I got to adjust the carburetor, so don't go too far with it. A little bit more. Right there, stop, stop, stop. Okay, oil's right underneath the tail light.
Sure is.
Yeah, under the tail light too. There you go, right there. That should be all of it.
That's Tribodyne.
Wipe the floor off there.
Wipe the floor again?
Yeah, we're going to back up over it. Okay, back it up a little bit. I got just the idle mixture. Now that all the lifters are working. Where's my little screwdriver? There it is. That's good.
Fire it up?
Yeah. Richard, it's cold. Sort of clicked in there.
When we go to park it back or around the block or what?
I heard it click twice and it quit working. Then it went back to working. Alright, go try it out. Right now they're working, but we'll see. Alright, we'll be back. See what happens. Alright, hear them coming. Not hearing valve noise, that's a good sign. That right there. hear no tapping noise. What's up?
There's no oil when I was breathing either.
Okay, blow it up. Move it up. Crank it up.
Nice, like almost load it up a little bit.
Right there, it's happy. A little fat there. Right about there. Okay, go take it out the street again. That was a lot better. Yeah, sounds like it runs all right. Sounds good. See when he gets back. There it comes again.
It did spit some oil out, didn't it?
I don't know, did it?
A little bit right there.
I don't know, it's residue. That cleaned up the low speed a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a little fattened up for being cold, so it's quiet.
Oh, good. Yeah, valve noise is gone.
Yeah, so much for those bad rocker arms and heavy valve springs and all the other crap everybody's complaining about, right?
Yeah.
Just need good lifters.
Yeah. I still don't understand it though, you know?
I don't know, we had 3 that were working and we couldn't make the 4th one work, and
The S&S ones were different.
all the S&S are junk. The old ones don't work, the new ones don't work. These 2 cranes don't work. So 3 cranes worked and 1 Ultima works. So there you go. 5 days later. Quick and easy, right?
Yeah. Quick and easy.
And I can't find any consensus on why they work or don't work. They either do or they don't.
Don't good either.
It just doesn't seem to make any difference. They all look the same. They all feel the same.
Yep.
They just don't work.
It made all the difference putting that one in.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, so this is ready to go home. So
Did you adjust them all the same, Remy?
yeah, they're all at 20 flats.
Where'd the greasy Travidine go? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go put it in the trap.
Yeah, we got the Maximum right now, so you can run that for 1,000 miles and then dump it out and put good shit in there after that if you want.
What's this? A Travidine?
Travidine, definitely.
I don't like about the blue mess that it makes.
Oh, you poor blue guy. Then run Maxima. Maxima's decent oil too. All right, that's it for that.